Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab pepper soup. First, ensure your crab is thoroughly cleaned and cut into manageable portions. Next, blend your peppers and onion until smooth, setting aside for later. Finally, measure out your 4 cups of stock and any other spices you plan to use, like a teaspoon of curry powder, to have everything prepped and ready to go. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your blended pepper and onion mixture, sautéing for about 5 minutes until fragrant. Stir in 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, allowing them to cook down and soften for another few minutes. Then, pour in your 4 cups of stock, bringing the entire mixture to a gentle boil. Once your soup is boiling, carefully add the cleaned crab pieces to the pot. Reduce the heat to medium-low, allowing the soup to simmer gently for 15 to 20 minutes. This simmering time ensures the crab cooks through and absorbs all the delicious flavors. You'll know the crab is ready when its shell turns a vibrant, bright orange color. Now it's time to perfect the flavor. Season your crab pepper soup with salt, black pepper, and perhaps a half teaspoon of curry powder to taste. Stir well and let it simmer for a final 5 minutes. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro or parsley before serving this comforting soup hot. And hey, for easy meal prep, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.